Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with the SeedSpark collab. I just want to take a second and share with you guys the VCR formula that's made such an impact in my life and my growth journey. My good friend Dean Jackson created this formula a long time ago out of just an awareness. It seems that he's the world's largest simplifier and is able to see what others don't see. So Dean created the VCR formula, and the V, as you are likely already aware, stands for vision. The C stands for capability, and the R stands for reach. And so when you look at any entrepreneurial achievement, you're able to dissect and unpack. Someone had the vision, most oftentimes the entrepreneur. Someone had the capability, or the entrepreneur has to go and build it, and then someone has reach. And not often do I find that an entrepreneur has any more than two, and often just one. So to build out the capability and the reach, assuming that the entrepreneur has the vision, it takes a long time. I've done it, lots of experience. Building all those capabilities and ultimately trying to garner and build trust to leverage and create all that reach is, as we say, the slow way. Collaboration, on the other hand, understanding that there is an entrepreneur out there that has every client that you ever want already, and likely their credit card numbers on file. That's reach identification. Capabilities, we all have the opportunity. We can build them, or we can find the entrepreneur who's been doing it passionately and has done it so long they've scaled a company to 5, 10, 25, or 50 million. Why don't we just share our vision with them and collaborate with someone with capability? Oftentimes I do it with multiple entrepreneurs with capability and then someone with reach. Combining all three of those together equals a very short runway to exponential success and growth. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit of an overview of the VCR formula, and you can already see where you have two options. You can build the capabilities, you can build the reach, you can even build the vision, or you can find the entrepreneur who has one of those three components or two of those three components, combine them together, and get there so much faster. This whole series is going to unpack each of those components at a much deeper depth, but I hope you enjoyed this overview and look forward to seeing you soon.